माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सीबीएसई सिलेबस में क्लास 11th के लिए सब्जेक्ट फिजिक्स में एक न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम मैं आपको समझा रहा हूं. सो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू अमीर्स एकेडमी. आई एम रशीद सर हियर. नाउ सी, आई एम रीडिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ लिसन. A body of mass 2 kilogram initially at rest moves under the action of an applied horizontal force of 7 newtons on a table with coefficient of kinetic friction 0.1. अब इसमें हमको जो है जो कंप्यूट जो दिया गया है वो वर्क डन बाय द अप्लाइड फोर्स इन 10 seconds. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वर्क डन बाय फ्रिक्शन इन 10 seconds again. Now, work done by net force on the body in 10 seconds. Change in kinetic energy of the body in 10 seconds and interpret the results. What actually we are doing for this? Now we are proceeding toward the solution for this. Now come to the point. See, mass of the body M is equal to 2 kilograms. It's given. Right? Next point you can have applied force F is equal to 7N. ये दिया हुआ है प्रॉब्लम में. Then coefficient of kinetic friction mu is equal to 0.1. These are all given. C. Then initial velocity u is equal to 0. We are writing because initially the body is at rest. Body चूंकि रेस्ट में है तो इसमें जो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी हम 0 लेंगे. ठीक है. टाइम t is equal to 10 seconds. This one is also given. Right? देखिए अब the acceleration produced in the body. Acceleration क्या है? The rate of change of velocity is the acceleration. Okay? The acceleration produced in the body by the applied force is given by Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion के जरिए से जो दिया गया है वो हम लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे as a dash is equal to F by M. That's equal to 7 by 2 we are writing. Divide 7 by 2 आप 3.5 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर इसका रिजल्ट होगा. 7 is divided by 2 getting 3.5. ओके, देखिए फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स हमको ये लिखना होगा F is equal to UMG, right? That's equal to 0.1 mu and M is equal to 2, G is equal to 9.8 we take. Okay, now after getting the multiplication, the full product you will be having 1.96 newtons, and that's the answer. Thank you.